There are so many tax advantages specifically with pension protection annuities that provide protection for long-term care. Can we talk about that? What a valuable thing that was passed in 2006 that became effective in January of 2010. What do people need to know about this?
The great thing about the Pension Protection Act, it provides tax advantages to help incentivize people to use these linked benefit products where you have an annuity with a long-term care feature. I think it's wonderful that our government is providing this incentive to help people to make that decision and overcome this objection to, I don't need long-term care insurance. Here you have a tax benefit that's incentivizing people to do it. I think it's just wonderful that we have the Pension Protection Act to provide those benefits.
Give an example for people. Let's say you have a $100,000 non-qualified annuity and that the cost basis is $60,000. So you've got a $40,000 gain in the policy. You can complete a 1035 exchange, so where you're just transferring that money, and you are able to not only transfer those gains tax-free, but then those gains come out tax-free later for long-term care expenses, whether you're receiving care in your home or in a facility. Making sure that they're non-qualified annuities that meet the PPA provisions is important so that you can then withdraw that money for long-term care coverage later, income tax-free, but such a valuable benefit.
And I think it's important, like going back to when you said you need to be working with an advisor who understands the language and the nuances between these plans. That's important too, because there are a lot of annuities that have what I call a long-term care kicker in them, where it may be providing a more enhanced benefit of the annuity if you're meeting 2 out of 6 activities of daily living, but these are not actual long-term care insurance and they do not qualify for Pension Protection Act treatment. So it's really, really important that you're working with an advisor who understands the differences between all of these annuities and the features so that you are able to take advantage of that PPA benefit.
Yeah, yes, valid point. Again, agent advisor needs to be well informed. They need to know all the solutions, and the consumer needs to ask questions. Don't be afraid to ask questions as a client, as a consumer, is this a PPA non-qualified annuity? Does it qualify? Will I get benefits tax-free? What are the tax consequences? These are all really good questions to ask. And even asking the advisor agent, what kinds of solutions do you have available to you? What do you offer? And if they only say, oh, well, I work with XYZ company and we provide this solution, if it's like a one solution, you need to look elsewhere. You need to work with someone that is independent and has lots of different companies and different solutions to be able to find the right fit for you.